There you go, that is our Chinese steak and green pepper black bean sauce. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're doing steak Chinese style with green pepper black bean sauce. Fantastic. Now I've got our black beans here that we made the other day, and we're going to use about a tablespoon, and you can see it's solidified a little bit in the fridge. Our oil is solidified a little bit, keeping it fresh. So for anyone that wants to prep their own black beans, there's a link on the channel right now. Click on the link, or it's a video before this, and you will see how to prep Chinese black beans for Chinese black bean sauce. Right, we are cooking a steak today and some vegetables. Now the vegetables for this is very easy. A little bit of red chili for colour, not heat, a little bit of garlic, an onion and a green pepper. We're making a Chinese green pepper black bean sauce to go with a strip loin steak or a sirloin steak. Really easy, really quick. Let's crack on. Now what I will say is I'm using a sous vide steak. I've got quite a few there. I've been doing them today, so I just fancied this today. And all you do is pat your steak dry after you've taken it out the bag, so it actually gets a crust on in the pan. That's all you do. So the veggies for this can't be any easier, to be honest. We got a couple of chilies, like I say, they're for colour. So all we're going to do is slice across like that. Okay, we just want to come across, and we're going to chuck those in for colour. Okay, in a tub. As easy as that. We have onion and garlic. Onion, we want some cubed onion. So it's just a straightforward cube it up. Now with the onion, if you can pull it apart a little bit like that, fantastic. And chuck it all in a tub. That's our onion in a tub, ready to go. Green pepper or capsicum, whatever you know it by, we're going to cube it. That is it. And then in with the onion. They're all going to be cooked together. I'll have the bottom. Garlic, a mashing and a smashing. On there. Now mince it up as much as you want. If you want chunks of garlic in there, leave chunks of garlic in there. Now I like garlic, but I know some of you don't. And we're going to put that in a tub. That's our veggies done. Okay, this beautiful steak has been sous vide. It is perfectly cooked. We just need to sear it. A little bit of oil in there. Get your pan hot, sear your steak. So just take your steak and in your pan. We don't have to do any more to it than put a sear on all the way around, just how you like it, because it's perfectly cooked. Beautiful. Don't forget, put a little bit of a sear on that fat cap on the side. And we need to be coming all the way around this actually. I get on the end. That is looking absolutely beautiful. Flame off. steak out. Cover steak with tin foil, aluminium foil. Let it rest away in there as we carry on with the stir fry. So give your pan a wipe out. We don't want all that fatty oil in there, even though you could cook with it, but we don't want it. Fabulous. Now this is an extremely quick cook actually. A little bit of oil in there. Now don't forget this pan is already hot, so that's not going to take so long to warm through. Get your flame back on. This in here is potato starch, and I'll be adding some water in a minute. In fact, I'll do it now. That's going to be our thickening when we get round to it. Garlic in there. Don't go bananas with the garlic. A little swizzle round. In there our peppers and our onions. Little swizzle about. In there a little bit of dark soy sauce. A little bit of Searing wine. A little bit of a shufty about. Tiny bit of sugar. In with our black beans. A good tablespoon of black beans in there. Little shufty about in there. Oh, the smell is fantastic. Absolutely. Now we want some water. That's our sauce in there, look. Now you can be as saucy as you want. Or you can just do a little bit like that. And then it's quick in with our corn flour or potato starch I'm using. Here with our potato starch, thicken up. Now if you go too thick, add water. Look, just put a bit of water in. It don't matter. Flame off. Shake a white pepper in there. Chilies. Stir through. Sauce made. Now how beautiful does that look? That looks quality. Sliced steak, serve up. Straight in there. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Just look at that. That is beautiful. Absolutely first class. Look at that. Okay, bring it together. We need to get that for serving up. On there with some of our sauce, and we're going to lay our steak on the top. On the top of there. Look at that. Oh, fabulous. There you go, that is our Chinese steak and green pepper black bean sauce. How easy is that? Beautiful, beautiful flavours there, come on. Okay, we're in on this one. You know, we've got the steak on here, but it's really about the black bean sauce. So come on, let's just get in here. Let's have a taste of this sauce. first class. As good as any restaurant, and we've made this from scratch. Now don't forget, our black bean preparation is a video before this, and if you want to see how it's made, there's a link up here right now for you to go have a look, but it's only the video before this. Okay, let's have a go with the steak. Oh, look at that. Butter, butter, butter. Oh. That is ridiculously good. That is an absolutely fantastic dinner right there. Black bean sauce, easy to make. It's only dark soy sauce, a little bit of Chiltern wine, a bit of water, bit of sugar. Easy, you know, a little bit of garlic and some veg. You just would not go to the restaurant if you could eat this quality food at home. It is absolutely fantastic. Well, don't forget to share with your friends, tell them about the steak, green pepper, black bean sauce. Wow. And if you like what we're doing, a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ding ding, ring that bell. Catch you in the next video.